Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Bsnl Broadband account is active and you have the router login. Plug the router into power and the broadband line. Make sure LED indicators show internet. On the TV, open settings to see whether it supports Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If using a smart set-top box, reserve an HDMI port. Once done, position the router within range and have an Ethernet cable ready so you can switch from Wi-Fi to wired quickly. You now make the physical connection. Plug an Ethernet cable from the Bsnl router into the TV's LAN port for the most stable link. Alternatively, choose the router's SSID on the TV and enter the Wi-Fi password. Once connected, go to Network Settings and confirm DHCP assigns an IP address. If you need static IP, input details from Bsnl. If you're using a set-top box, connect it with HDMI. Then switch the TV to that input and complete the box's network setup prompts. Finish by launching a streaming app or the TV's network test to verify connectivity. If playback stalls or the TV shows no internet, reboot the router first, then the TV and any set-top box, and try an Ethernet connection if you used Wi-Fi. Wired links often resolve instability. Make sure the router's LEDs show WAN activity and that the TV has an IP. If issues persist, contact Bsnl support with your account details and the router MAC address so they can check line provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.